everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Upshift, and we'll do some mods today. That there is a G37, and right here, y'all see the RS. But today we go do put some spacers on, clean out the whole braking area, and see how these look. So stay tuned. Like y'all can really see, I mean, these are some nice 20-inch wheels, but they are inside of the wheel well, and it doesn't look, that good to me. I want to go a little bit, get a little bit more flush, man. That does not look good. I don't like that angle. So we're gonna get that together, put some spacers on, and see how that goes. And here we go. So we got 4 spacers from 034 Motorsports, some 20 mils. Oh man, these are incredibly light, man. I mean, they feel like almost nothing. I've held some spacers in my hand that, man, they feel like they're like 10 pounds a piece, but these here weigh absolutely nothing. We're gonna put these on and see. It's been forever since I did a video, right? Lord, I have lived in the last 10 months, 4 different states. So yeah, videos will come a little bit more frequently now. We got some major things coming for the G37 coupe, but right now we're gonna do some things for the Audi. So just wait for that, and let's get it popping. So what I want to do is do like a before kind of like shot on the car, just to see how that looks, right? We can see it, they're a little bit, too far in my opinion, especially up here up front. So we're gonna do the backs first, then do the front, and then see how they come out. But yeah, that's the 2 cars that we got right here. We're gonna change these out. Man, these rims are dirty, but I'm gonna wash it. Probably go do a little driving around today and see how that goes. All right, here we go. So I got the car secured with some bricks, and I got the spacer on there. So yeah, I did a little hookup, painted my brake calipers a little bit more red. Messed up right there, but that's all good. But yeah, that's how it looks on there. 034 Motorsports wheel spacers. Now we're about to put the wheel on, put this side down. I'm gonna do the other side and see how that goes. So we are going to see what's up, and it fit kind of flush. It fit real good, like no issues or nothing. But we better get it together. Now I'm living in New Orleans, and it is hot, like dumb hot, ridiculously hot, super hot. Like, why it's so hot? I don't get it. But yeah, about to put on the wheel and see how I look out with this one spacer on it. And here we go. It is a better difference. Like, it's flush, like flush with the wheel. With the wheel well, I should say. Real good. Let's go look at the other side. And the other side, you can see that it's in a lot. Yeah, it's a nice difference on it. On this one here, you can't really see it. On this side, yeah, big difference. I can actually see the wheel here as opposed to the other side. So about to put on the other back one, take a ride with the backs done, and then see what's up. Yeah, I don't know how good the color's coming through or how they look, but that's where we at right now, doing the other side and a little bit of shade. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. The spacers are on, as you can see. 034 Motorsports with the ECS brakes on them. But yeah, it was a pretty much easy install. The wheels are a lot more flush now. Got the backs done, and it feel a whole lot better. Yeah, it looks 10 times better with the spacers on it. The wheels are more flush. Excuse my dirty car. But yeah, 10 times better. Nice and flush looking. Yep. Until the next video, this is a quick little something I put together, but we'll see y'all next time.